What are epochs and slots? Time in Cardano is divided into epochs. Each epoch is again divided into slots. Slots are a short period of time in which a block can be created. Ouroboros, the proof-of-stake algorithm of Cardano, randomly assigns a stake pool for each slot. The so-called slot leader then creates the corresponding block for this slot. The election of the slot leaders is already carried out before the epoch is created. Every slot usually contains a block, but if the elected pool does not perform well, it would be possible that there is an empty slot from time to time. For the Cardano protocol, an empty slot is fine, but the majority of the blocks must be generated during an epoch to maintain guaranteed security. There's a slot every 20 seconds, and each epoch contains 21,600 slots. So, if you do the math, you will see there's a new epoch exactly every 5 days. Cardano is designed in a way that it can run multiple epochs in parallel. If you're assuming the single thread performance is X transactions per second, and you run another epoch in parallel, the performance is now twice that of the original amount of transactions per second. If you run another epoch in parallel, the performance then becomes 3 times that of the original amount of transactions per second, and so on and so forth. You can run up to n epochs in parallel, whatever the needs of the network happen to be. N is only limited by the network throughput. This makes Cardano highly scalable. Thank you for watching.